Schedule for the first matches of IPL 2026 has finally been released, and fans already have a lot to talk about. From the opening clash to new rivalries and some interesting scheduling decisions, there are several key points that stand out. Right now, the BCCI has announced the schedule for the first 20 matches, and the rest of the fixtures will be released later. So in this video, let's break down 5 big things from the IPL 2026 schedule and also look at 5 big matches that fans should not miss. First, IPL start date. The first major update in the start date of the IPL 2026. The tournament will begin on March 28th. This time there will be around a 20-day gap between the T20 World Cup and the IPL. Usually the gap between these tournaments is about 2 weeks, but this year players are getting 5 to 6 extra days to rest. That means players will have more time to recover and prepare before jumping into the intense IPL season. Second point is that only the first 20 matches have been announced so far. The reason behind this is the upcoming elections in 3 states. Security arrangements, police deployment, and logistics depend on the election schedule. Because of that, the BCCI decided to release the first phase of the schedule first, and the complete schedule will come later once the election dates are finalized. Third point, that is another interesting detail, the venues. The first 20 matches will be played across 10 different cities. However, some venues that usually host matches later in the season are not included in this first phase. For example, places like Dharamshala generally host matches during the second leg of the tournament, so their fixtures will be announced later. This means more cities may be added once the full schedule comes out. Fourth point. Now let's talk about the double header days. In the first phase of the tournament, there will be 4 double headers days. That means on those days, fans will get 2 matches in a single day. One in the afternoon and another in the evening. Compared to previous seasons, the number of double headers in the beginning seems slightly lower, but fans will still get those exciting cricket-filled days. Another big discussion point is point number 5 related to Royal Challengers Bangalore. After RCB won IPL 2025, there was a tragic incident outside the M. Chinnaswamy Stadium in the Bengaluru the very next day. Because of that, there were rumors that the city might not host many matches this year. But the schedule confirms that Bengaluru will still host matches. However, RCB will play only 5 matches at their home ground, and 2 of their home matches have been shifted to another stadium in Bengaluru. So the team will get home support but slightly fewer matches at their main venue. Now let's look at the 5 big matches from the schedule that fans should definitely keep an eye on. Match 1, the opening. The first and biggest match is, of course, the opening game of IPL 2026 on March 28th. RCB will face Sunrisers Hyderabad. RCB enters the tournament as the defending champions, while SRH is known for playing aggressive, explosive cricket. So this opening clash promises fireworks right from day one. Match 2, Rajasthan Royals versus Chennai Super Kings. The next big match is on March 30th. Between Rajasthan Royals and Chennai Super Kings. This match is interesting because of player transfers between 2 teams. Sanju Samson, who was Rajasthan's captain, has now joined Chennai Super King as a player. At the same time, Ravindra Jadeja has moved from CSK to Rajasthan Royals. So fans will see Samson playing against Rajasthan and Jadeja facing his former team CSK, creating a completely new rivalry. Match 3, Punjab Kings versus Gujarat Titans. On March 31st, Punjab Kings will play against Gujarat Titans. This match will take place at the new stadium in Mulanpur, Punjab. What makes it interesting is Shubman Gill. Gill, who is the captain of Gujarat Titans, come from Punjab. So he will be playing against Punjab Kings in his home region. This will also be a clash between India's ODI captain and the ODI vice captain, which makes it even more exciting. Now match 4, RCB versus CSK. Another blockbuster game is RCB versus Chennai Super Kings on April 5th. RCB comes in as the current champion and Virat Kohli is in excellent form. Meanwhile, MS Dhoni hasn't been in the best form recently, but the arrival of Sanju Samson has strengthened the CSK squad. So this classic rivalry is expected to draw huge attention from fans. Now, match 5. RCB versus Mumbai. And finally, another big clash will be RCB versus Mumbai Indians. In the past, this match was often seen as a Virat Kohli versus Rohit Sharma rivalry. Today, the two players share a great friendship. But when their team face each other, the excitement is still massive. In fact, RCB matches are among the most in demand games in the IPL. Tickets for their matches are often the most expensive, and even when RCB plays away from home, ticket prices usually rise because fans want to watch Virat Kohli live. So, these are the 5 biggest highlights from the IPL 2026 schedule, along with 5 matches that fans should definitely watch. For now, the schedule has been announced only until April 12th, covering the first 20 matches of the tournament. As soon as the rest of the schedule is released, more venues, matches, and rivalries will come into the spotlight. And of course, we will keep bringing you all the latest updates. Until then, get ready because IPL 2026 is just around the corner.